I'd like to show you how Oracle SmartView can federate data from various sources into one report. So with my SmartView extension installed, I select the connection panel, and I can federate data from both the shared connections or from private connections. In this instance, I've accessed an Essbase environment through my private connections. I enter a password so that I can get through to the environment. I've now connected, and I decide I'm going to start with a brand new ad hoc analysis. I'm now moving my dimensions around the screen so that I get the correct layout. And I'm going to put the 3-page dimensions into the pivot table. I'm now selecting the dimension members from the measures dimension which I want to show. I choose them in the order in which I'd like them to be displayed on the worksheet. And I will now do the same for the time dimension. In this instance, I've decided I'm going to take the quarters from the last 2 years. I could of course use one of the tools such as the filtering and the search tool to select dimension members, but in this case it's as quick just to expand the hierarchies to select the members I want. So now I've got my members. I refresh the worksheet so that it's populated. I'm now going to sort the formatting to my desired display. And then I'm going to change the column widths so that all the data is being displayed properly. Having taken the data which I wanted from my Essbase environment, I'm now going to make a new connection. So I move outside the Essbase active area, and I'm now connecting to a business intelligence environment. I enter the password for this particular server, which may of course differ from my Essbase environment. I open up the web catalog, and I navigate my way to the particular dashboard or report which I want to display. I'm going to bring in a chart showing airline delay performance, and I'm going to move that chart around my worksheet, making sure that I keep it out of the active Essbase area. I've now decided I'd also like some further information, and so I'm going to also bring in a pivot table from a heat map. This pivot table has particular prompt selections attached to it, so I decide what data I want to choose to show. In this particular case, I've just chosen everything. Having now chosen my 3 different reports or graphs, I now close the panel, and I'll resize my graphics to a more usable size, and I can move them around the worksheet as I need, ensuring though that I don't overlap with the Essbase area. I can change the prompts which I've previously selected, so if I don't want to have every dimension member, I can certainly reduce those which have been chosen. And now I have my 3 different reporting items coming from 2 different sources, all with different dimensionality and reporting different facts, all within the same worksheet. SmartView has made this look very, very easy, which with SmartView it is.